In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up Office 365 mailbox data in batch using the RecoveryTools Office 365 Backup tool. To install our Office 365 Backup tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, enter your Office 365 email address. If you have an Office 365 admin account, you can click on the I am admin option and batch backup mailboxes. Click the login button to proceed, and the program will redirect you to the Microsoft Graph API authentication window to grant the required permissions. Start the Microsoft authentication process and sign in using the Microsoft 365 Global Administrator account. The API permissions request window will open automatically. Review the required permissions and scopes. Then click Accept to complete the authorization. If you are signed in as a global administrator with the required permissions, an authentication successful message will be displayed. After this, the program will load all available mailboxes. You can select the required users to start the migration. The software also provides a CSV mode, which allows you to load Microsoft 365 users as per your requirement. The Enumerate User Subfolders option loads the full folder structure. Click on Next button. Select the mailboxes for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Split PST option divides emails and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. Separate PST per user option creates individual PST files per user. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click on Change button to select the location. The Incremental Backup option backs up only the data that has been modified or created since the previous backup. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. The Concurrent Users Data Copying option processes multiple user mailboxes simultaneously. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to Backup option. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly backed up files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.